So today is a good day. We have the crew out here today. I got fortunate enough to find an excellent crew, and they are weed eating between the hot zone and the fence in the experimental hibiscus plot, which keeping this grass low and under control helps to ensure that the hot zone fence doesn't short out. And you can see this grass grows so quick, so thick, that it's not good to have your grasses touching your wires, because it just defeats the purpose of having a hot zone. So this was something unforeseen in this project, but we're budgeting for it and making sure it gets taken care of. So we got everything pretty much straight, and I'm gonna come back later and show you some after pictures. But this is definitely a before, and this is also what happens when you don't maintain it on a regular basis. And I do have some thoughts about maybe putting down landscape fabric, just a strip between, so we won't have to worry or keep having the expense of this year after year. But we'll see how it goes. So far it looks good. I'm happy, joy.